Hey, what's up guys, Downshift Rider here. In today's session I'm gonna show you how to plot a lot bearing or technical lot description. So we will be using an Autocad software. I know you are familiar with, maybe some of you know are familiar with the software that we are going to use in this session. If this topic is what you're interested in, please keep watching and please give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And here we go. On the left side we have here the technical lot description of this lot 1-C-2-E-2-C-5, and the, in this column we have the lines, bearings, distances. These are the lines 1 to 4, and we have the bearings here, and the distances, the lines. So if you are ready, let's go, let's start. First of all, before you start plotting the description or the bearing, you have to make sure that you are using the correct unit. So let's try to look at the units. Type UN on your keyboard, enter. So under length, just leave this for a while. We will be using the angle, the type. So when you're plotting a lot bearing, you will be using the surveyor's unit, because lot descriptions, the data here are based from the surveyor's data, or from the surveyor, the actual survey of the land, the distances, the bearings, the lines. So we will be using surveyor's unit under type, and under precision, just collapse the panel, and we will be using this one, this precision, north 0 degrees east, and just click OK. And now we are ready to plot the lot description and the left side. And okay, let's go. Please follow. By the way, if you have any questions or suggestions, or if you are confused, just leave it in the comment section. Okay, let's start. Just we will be using polyline. Actually, we can use line, but in my case, I will use polyline to plot this in our left, the left side, the technical lot description of this lot. So let's command PL on our keyboard, click enter or hit enter, and here it says specific. Please, just a reminder, always read the command line here. Follow my cursor. Please follow my cursor. Here, this is what we call the this panel here, this is what we call the command line. So every command that we are using, the always read what it says here, because what it says here, this will be your guide throughout the command, so that you will know what you will be doing. Okay, so just type in PL, enter, specify start point. Actually you can click anywhere in the model space, but in my case I prefer to start here. Click and hold shift on your keyboard together with the @ sign and type in 10.79, 10.79, which is the distance from 1 to 2, 10.79, but please don't include the initial m of the unit meter, just the number. And after that, hold shift and together with less than sign. So now the less than sign appears here. Okay. The less than sign appears here, and we have now the instruction, the surveyor's unit that we set up before we started this line. So here we have in 11 degrees east, but according to our data, we will just follow the data here in the description from 1 to 2, which is 45-54 minutes west. So just type in S45, type D for degrees, S45 degrees, 54 minutes or 54 minutes west. I hope everybody is following, so you can understand what I am doing in the model space. Type west, enter. So we have now the line from 1 to 2 done. So we will be plotting the next line from 2 to 3, which is 4.54 is the distance. So to continue, just hold shift together with @ sign, then type in the distance, which is 4.54, shift less than, type N42, type D for degrees, type 20 minutes west, W, enter. Same process or same method to continue. Hold shift together with the @ sign, then type. We will be plotting the line 3 to 4. So from 3 to 4 we have 10.79 the distance. So type in 10.78, shift less than, type N45, type D for degrees, type 54 minutes east, enter. Now for the next line, which is 4 to 1, or from 4 to the starting point, we have 4.54, which is the distance. Actually we can just type C to close and just move the grip if if you are not familiar with what, or if you are confused I'm uh, what I'm saying is all about, we will just type the unit, which is 4.54. Type 4.54, shift less than, type S42, and type D for degrees, and type 31 minutes east. Enter. And another enter, and another enter. So we will try to look at this line here from 4 to 1, and the starting point 1. So we can see here, uh, as we notice, the line the last line did not close properly, so we will just move this grip, these two square here, these two blue squares here. These are what we call in AutoCAD grips, where you can stretch or move the line, the end point of the line. So we will just move the grip to point 1 to close the boundary, the property line. Okay, let's click this, click, and as you can see, we can move it anywhere in the model space. But since we are doing a flat bearing, so as we know that the lot should be properly closed, or must be closed, so we will just stretch this or move this grip to point 1 to close the line, or to close the line. Click, and here we go. We have now our lot, or we have now plotted the lot. The name of the lot is lot 1 dash, just read this, this is the name of the lot, and this is the bearings of the lot. Rectangular in shape. So you can also put something like this if you think you get confused, where's the point 1, where is point 2. Actually, you can put something like this and just type this is actually a symbol for the point, or you can use your own symbol, but in my case I will use circle, and I'll just put it across here, or across here, so that it indicates north. It indicates or coordinates indicator, rather. Just you can also type DCE for dim center enter, and in the command line it says select arc or circle. So in this case we use circle, so click. So here we have we will just scale this down just a little farther from this outside circle. So I'll just use offset. I'll just offset this circle, and just, by the way, if you're confused with what I'm doing here, I'm using another command. you just leave your comment in the comment section so that we will try to uh, give some answers to your questions, comments, or concerns about the commands that I am using, which I did not, or I am not doing some or giving some explanation. So just click to trim or cut the extension lines, or you can just read this and just copy this and put it on every point here, and then here, and then here, and here. Just erase this here. We already need to, I think you are familiar with the Cartesian plane, or whatever you call this. This point here, this is north, and this is south. This is east. This is west. So the question is, where is the point from 1 to 2? Point 1 to 2 is southwest, so we have here southwest. So very clear that this point here is the starting point. So we will just put some indicator here, like a text or something. Just command MT or mtext. Okay, just type any number, or any number 1. We will just scale this down. Just move and put an indicator. This is now point 1, then point 2. Just edit this. Just 2, then 3, then 4. So now, guys, now we have our lot. I hope everybody understands this very well. If you got it, if you like this video, if you like this tutorial, please leave a comment, like. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that you will be updated for another AutoCAD video or AutoCAD tutorial. So that's all for today, guys. Ride safe and ride safe and keep safe, everyone. Babush.